We are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper. This question is related to electronics. The early effect in a BJT is caused by fast turn on, fast turn off, large collector base reverse bias, large emitter base reverse forward bias. Early effect in a bipolar junction transistor. Early effect, the other name for that one is nothing but base width modulation. Base width modulation. As the name specifies, there is a change is going to be taking place in the base width. Whenever a transistor is fabricated, we think that the width of base is going to be fixed, but the width of base is fixed only. But if you are not applying any voltages at that time, the majority carriers which are going to be responsible for the current flow for transistor operation as amplifier, that will be present over entire region. If it is, let us assume, emitter, base and collector, this is called as WB, base width. Base width is also called as metallurgical base width, that is at the time of metallurgical base width at the time of fabrication. So this is the width over which the mobile charge carriers are going to be present in the base. But whenever a transistor is going to be acting as amplifier, it must be in active region. Active region is nothing but you are making emitter base junction, this is emitter base junction forward bias and collector base junction reverse bias. So whenever a collector base junction is going to be getting reverse bias, collector base junction getting reverse bias, under reverse bias we know that depletion region is going to be increases, and the increase of depletion region is more penetrates into lightly doped side. So if you are looking at collector base junction, collector is heavily doped than base, that is nothing but base is lightly doped in collector base junction. So depletion layer width penetrates more into base side. Whenever it is more into base side, at that time the base width is now covered, a part of base width is covered by depletion region, where depletion region consisting of only immobile ions. It will be consisting of immobile ions, no mobile charge carrier will be present. Now where the mobile charge carriers are going to be present, is it this width or not? This is the width now. This is going to be called as WB dash. If you apply active region, if you keep the transistor in active region, by that time effectively where the mobile charge carriers are present in base is going to be now less compared to the unbiased BJT. So this is WB dash is called as effective base width. WB dash is called as effective base width. If you increase VCB such that more and more reverse bias is taking place, by that time this WB dash is going to be still reduces. So as VCB increases, reverse bias across collector base junction is going to be increases. That makes width of depletion region to increase. As width of depletion region increases at that time, that will be more penetrated into base as it is lightly doped. So effective base width WB dash is going to be reduces. This phenomena is called as base width modulation or early effect. So early effect is caused because of large collector base reverse bias. It is not because of emitter base forward bias or fast turn on or fast turn off. So the correct option for us is C. Thank you.